This app right here is what I've been using to earn some money for myself for the past 1 month, and in this video I'm going to show you step by step on how to position yourself on this application. So make sure you don't skip any part of this video. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is CNS, and all I do on this YouTube channel is to look for legit opportunities you can use to earn money online. After I try them out by myself, I come here and show you guys step by step on how you can position yourself on those opportunities. So if you're interested in videos like this, you want to keep seeing more of my video, make sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel, like this post, and turn on the notification bell, so anytime I post a new video, you'll be the first person YouTube will notify. So without wasting much of your time, let's get right into the video. On this application right here, as you can see at the top, you are going to see something like diamond. Currently I have 0 diamond, but let me show you something real quick before we continue. So once you open this diamond and you click on this record, once you open this diamond, you click on this record here and you click on diamond again, you are going to see I have withdrawn multiple times from this application. You can see I withdraw 2,000 diamond, 2,000 diamond, 10,000 diamond, 2,000, 2,000, 2,000 and 10,000 is still 20,000 and 10,000 diamond is still pending, like it's still processing. I use different accounts to withdraw this. That is why it's still processing, but within 7 business days the withdrawal should be processed and you receive it in your account. You can withdraw to your local bank account or you can withdraw to crypto. I'm going to show you that later. So I just want to show you that you can actually withdraw from this application. Before I show anything on this my YouTube channel, before I show any platform, I'll try it out myself, withdraw it to make sure this is legit. Before anything you see on this platform, just know that I've tried it out myself. Before I cannot just see something and just start making videos about it. So I've tried it out, it's legit. So let's go back and see some other things on this application. So right here you can see this place. If you click on this withdraw right here, it's going to take you directly to this place. You are going to see red pocket. So this red pocket here, you can see before I withdraw this 15,000, I need to level up to level 50 to unlock it. To unlock this 15,000 red pocket. So I'm currently in level 48 in this account. So I opened this account on this my phone, so I will show people in my group on how to register on this application. The account I start from is in this phone I'm using to record this video. So as you can see, currently I have 48. I'm currently in level 48. So once I reach level 50, I'm going to unlock this 15,000 and I can be able to withdraw it. So let me show you how to level up on this platform. So as you can see currently, if I click on this dice, you are seeing something like dice here. So let me click on this dice. So as I click on this dice, it takes me to a place like a live stream, right? So it takes me to a place like a live stream. People are here playing game. So if I click on this dice right here, it's going to open. So this platform, people live stream. There are other things you can do on this platform, but me, I want to show you what I used to earn on this platform. I don't want to like show you everything. I can make another video to like take you through everything in this app, but in today's video I want to show you how to earn on this app. So that is what I want to show you. So on this place right here, you can see I currently have 15.2 million coin. So once I reach 50 million coin, I will be able to upgrade my level from level 48 to 49. So how can you earn point to level up before you withdraw? So you are going to see this go. Once you press this go here, you are going to be playing dice. Hope you understand. Once you press this go, you are going to be playing dice. As you can see, the money is increasing right here. You can see the points, the coin is increasing. So once I reach 50 points right here, I will level up to level 48. You understand? So that is how to level up. I don't want to start playing the game here because it's going to take a lot of time. You can see this tax here. If you click on this tax, you can claim your dice. You understand? So if you log in and all of that, you can claim your dice and play game to level up. So let's go back and show you, let me show you something. So once you level up to level 50, I'm currently at level 48. So within 1 week I'm going to like level up. It's not even going to take me up to 1 week. I'm going to level up to this level 50 and withdraw this 15,000. So as you are doing the level up, let me show you the one you can withdraw instantly. Yes, there's a one you can withdraw instantly. As you are earning points to level up so that you can withdraw your red pocket, there's the one called diamond that you can withdraw immediately, and I'm going to show you how to earn the diamond on this application. So as you can see, 2,000 diamond is equals to 1,500, 10,000 diamond is equals to 7,500, and 20,000 diamond is 15,000, 100,000 diamond is 75,000, 400,000 diamond is 300,000, and 1 million diamond is 750,000. Hope you can see here. So let me say you have diamond here. You can just click on anyone, and under it here you will see withdraw instead of this get more diamond. Currently I have 0 diamond. That is why it's showing me get more diamond. If not, it should have been showing withdraw under it here. So let me show you how to earn this diamond. I've already shown you how to earn red pockets by playing dice to level up, and you click on this withdraw icon here to withdraw it. So let me show you how to earn this diamond. So if you see this invite friend for reward, click on this invite friend. So once you click on it, it's going to open this page. So if you open this page, you are going to see each friend you invite, you are going to get 300 naira, and your friend will get 150. So each friend you invite, the diamond is going to be counting. You understand? So once you invite somebody, the diamond is going to be adding at the top here. So as the diamond is adding, you can withdraw this one instantly. You don't need to level up, you don't need to do anything. Hope you understand. But if you don't have a friend to invite to this platform to withdraw instantly, you can focus on this red pocket, right? You can focus on this red pocket, play your dice daily to level up. Once you reach level 50, you unlock this and withdraw. Once you unlock this, you are going to see another task that you need to, and another level that you need to reach to withdraw another one. You understand? So this is just new account. I want to show you new account. If I start showing you my old account, the thing will look different because I've completed most of the task. So this is a new account. That's what I want to show you so that you will see everything. So the two ways to earn on this platform is the red pockets and the dice. The diamond. Red pocket, diamond. Diamond, you can earn it by inviting your friend to the platform, and the red pockets, you can earn it by leveling up your points. Once you level up your points, you upgrade your level, you earn points, you upgrade your level. That's how to earn. So let me show you how to copy your referral link. Click on this invite again. So once you click on this invite, you are going to see copy link. Once you click on this invite now, let me click on it again. So once you click on this invite now, you can see copy link. So just copy the link. So once anybody register with the link, you are going to earn 300 naira immediately. Hope you understand. So and to withdraw is very simple, right? So once you come to this place and you have enough diamond here, just under it here, instead of now it's showing get diamond because I don't have enough. I have 0 diamond at the moment because I've withdrawn my diamond. You are going to see withdraw here. Click on it. There's two options. There's a place to select your local bank and there's a place to select crypto. So you are the one to choose between the two, anyone you like. Hope you understand. So there are other things on this app. You can message people, you can add people. If people are not active, you can claim their points. You understand? You can see as I'm clicking on it, I'm claiming people's points. These people are inactive, they are not active. Hope you understand. So as you are claiming the points, your points here will be, see currently I have 17 million. So once I reach 50 million points, I will upgrade to level 49. You understand? I will upgrade to level 49, level 50, and withdraw the red pocket. And I earn diamond by inviting friends, and I can also withdraw that. So that is the basic thing. On this platform, you can go live, people can gift you and all of that, but I don't want to cover that one in this video. So what I want you to know is the red pocket and the diamond, and I've already shown you how to go about it. So to register on this platform, the link is going to be in the description of this video, and I'll also pin it in the comment section. So download it, register your account, complete the task, you understand. So this is not a financial advice. Any video you see here, I'm just educating you. Before you register on any platform, please make sure you do your own personal research. So if you like videos like this and want to keep seeing more video from my channel, make sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel, like this video, turn on the notification bell so YouTube will notify you, comment where you are watching me from, and don't forget to join my Telegram channel, because sometimes before I make video here, I've already dropped the update in my Telegram channel. So make sure to subscribe to my Telegram channel to stay updated. I will see you in my next post. Make sure to subscribe so you keep seeing more amazing video from my channel.